If you want to see how I managed to achieve a plus 60% win rate using this strategy alone, then make sure you watch the entire video. Thank you for clicking, and in today's video I'm going to show you a very impressive strategy on forex that only uses 2 indicators and can potentially return a huge amount. First thing we're going to do is go onto TradingView.com. The very first thing I've done is change the candles to lines. The reason I've done this is because we only want to focus on the close of candles. The wicks don't really matter so much in this strategy. You can do that by clicking up here and then clicking lines. The next step is to click on indicators up at the top here. Now for this portion of the strategy to work, we're going to be focusing on multi-time frame trends. Go onto indicators, type in trend table, and it's this multi-time frame trend table right here. The box should look like this on the top. And then third and finally, go onto indicators again. Finally, for the last confirmation for the trade, type in super trend with no spaces, and we can add this top one here on the community scripts. Your chart should now look something like this. The first thing we're going to do is click on the super trend indicator, and we just want to remove the highlighter on the uptrend side and the downtrend. But just before we do that, let me quickly tell you about Flux Charts and why they've sponsored today's video. Flux Charts has a massive range of insanely powerful indicators for any type of market. I have actually tested out a few of their indicators on the channel, and I love them very much. And most importantly, have had very good success with them. I want you to join Flux Charts today because I want to see more traders break through the wall. And Flux Charts might just be the key that you need to finally become a profitable trader. And I really want you to succeed, so you've got 2 options. Option 1 is to click the link below and try out the Flux Charts 7-day completely risk-free trial for yourself. Yes, completely risk-free. And option 2, Flux Charts were kind enough to give a 20% off code at checkout. So use code MO and you'll be making money back already. So don't wait any longer and take the leap, and I will see you in the Discord making money. Let's get back to the video. You can also remove the uptrend line here and the downtrend line here. This just cleans up the chart really nicely, and all you have to look at is the sell label and the buy label. This strategy uses heavy support and resistance, so we're going to be using a rectangle a lot to mark these zones out. The easiest way to do this is to find huge points of reversal and then to draw a rectangle at that. This is to show that there is either a high level of resistance or support with buyers and sellers. This basically means that price will really struggle to push through these zones. For example, this peak right here, if we draw a rectangle and mark out that zone, this means that if price comes up to this zone again, it will struggle to continue buying because there is a lot of resistance for price to move up. Okay, so let's get into some buys and sells. So again, for drawing out the support and resistance zones, we'll be using this rectangle right here on the left hand side, and we're just going to be marking areas of potential reversal. Remember, the support is on the bottom and the resistance is at the top. So straight away I'm going to mark out this peak right here, and then again I'm going to mark out this peak as this is closer to price. These are both resistance because price is below and moving towards. And then on the support side I would mark out this zone, but you can see price has broken this level right here and come down, so I'll mark out the bottom. And finally I'll mark out this level as a resistance as well. Okay, so we've got our 3 lines of resistance here and our 1 level of support. So let's see where price moves. We can see here that price broke the resistance and then came back down. This could have potentially been a sell trade for us, but it wasn't for 2 reasons. Reason 1 is no sell label painted from the super trend. They should have painted here. And reason 2 is on the trend table, 4 or more of the indications are green for buying. And here we go, we can see that this is a valid trade right here. Price has bounced off the resistance zone up here, which is marked right there. Price is very much respecting this zone right here. It bounces off the resistance level, and then number 2 gives us a sell label paint. And finally on the trend table there is 4 time frames that show selling pressure. So we can enter our position here. You can either be safe or aggressive in this situation. The safer option is to put your stop loss above the resistance that it bounces off, or because there is a resistance zone right here, you could go for the aggressive option and put your stop loss there. We will be targeting just above this support level. The aggressive option would be a 4.8 risk to reward, and the safe option would be a 1.25 risk to reward. So let's see what happens. And there we go, price is broke, hitting a take profit of 4.8 risk to reward. So if you're risking 1% of your account per trade, you would have just made almost 5% in one trade. This is a perfect example of a sell, and you can see now that we have entered the trade, all of the trend table icons are now for selling. Okay, so here's another example right here. Let's get the rectangle and draw some support and resistance zones. A couple of the obvious ones of reversal straight away is this point right here. Let's just draw a box like that. This is our first level of support. Two more obvious resistance zones will be this peak right here and this peak right here. So let's see what price does. As you can see, price did bounce off this support zone right here and did show a buy label, but unfortunately the trend table does show down, meaning that we are still in a selling market. So let's carry on and see what happens. And just after a couple more candles, we have 4 uptrends on the time frame table. So it is now safe to enter. Just make sure that if you do wait after the buy label is painted, that the price isn't too near to your take profit zone, making your risk to reward negative. We can see here that the risk to reward is only a 1.3 and see what happens. And there we go, price has hit our take profit for a 1.29% on the account. Perfect, so now it's time to show the backtesting result. I'll be backtesting this strategy 100 times, so please hit that subscribe button if you want to see the results, and hit that like button while you're at it. And here we are with the results, and you can see we did a very impressive 62% win rate, making us a massive 556% across 100 trades. This is amazing. We had 62 wins and only 38 losses. And we took the account from $100 all the way to $656. The consecutive wins is very impressive. We had 9 consecutive wins in a row and only 4 consecutive losses in a row. But thank you very much for clicking on this video. I hope you are happy with these results. I am very much so. Definitely do check this strategy out for yourself. And if you've enjoyed this clip video, then you will really enjoy one of these right here. And I'll see you guys in the next video.